Have you ever known someone who could fix any problem that you threw at them?
I'm at a point where my friends call me, they got a problem, I'm troubleshooting it through the phone. And it's like, bro, that's it, thanks, man. I'm like, oh, man, yeah, hey, here's my bill, you know?
Have you ever thought about the difference between an education and skill set?
When you got skills and training, it goes a long ways. Because skill is something inside of you. It's real important. You will always be secure in a job some kind of way.
Have you wished for skills that lead to essential careers without the need for a 4-year degree?
Not everybody's going to college.
Sitting in a classroom.
Not everybody wants to go to college.
It's just not for everybody.
It's not an atmosphere that I would actually thrive in.
You got people that learn a skill set.
What the eye sees and what the mind processes is everything.
Getting that one-on-one, hands-on education that a lot of people just thrive in more, I think is just so much more beneficial.
And before you ever would have even gotten through your first year of this 4-year university, you will have graduated, gotten your certification, and be working in a job making money for yourself and your family.
Have you ever looked at Tidewater Tech?
Tidewater Tech is a great place. It has HVAC, building maintenance repair, automotive program. We also have welding.
Skilled trades careers play a vital role in America's infrastructure.
We are in a dire need of a workforce.
These essential jobs keep the country moving forward, and many of these jobs are going unfilled.
We depend heavily on skilled people to do the work that we do.
America needs a skilled workforce.
And we're able to help them fill those roles and become a contributing members to our society in positive, impactful directions.
Tidewater Tech programs are optimized to be career-focused, to ensure our students receive the training needed to enter the workforce quickly.
With the tech school, it trims all the fat off. I know this is where I want to work at. Every day I'm going to do that to help make me better. And when I'm done, I go right into the workforce.
Skilled trades is seeing a rebirth in America. This is due in part by the large number of the skilled workforce reaching retirement.
That older workforce will be moving on, and so will a lot of the experience. So what we're trying to do is to find technically sound people to bring in and take the place of those who are retiring soon.
This has created a demand for individuals with the technical skills that Tidewater Tech offers.
I always wanted to learn how to weld. I found Tidewater Tech and fell in love. Now, here I am.
Our goal is to train students to be fully prepared to seek employment in their chosen field.
The faculty and staff is amazing, man. They always got some kind of outreach program for those who are struggling with anything.
The instructors were beyond knowledgeable.
Every student I have come across have a different story, and you got to teach them a different way. But at the end of the day, you still got to teach them what they came here for.
They could take even the most technical thing and break it down to you to where you knew just as much about it as they did.
Each instructor was amazing. They were on a personal level with you.
I don't see them as much as instructors. I see them as a friend that's trying to teach you and that's really trying to help.
They really are here to help. It wasn't just a job to them.
They're truly passionate about what they do here.
Tidewater Tech's leadership is committed to helping bring up a new workforce for industry leaders in Hampton Roads and beyond.
I'm going to invest in the community around me in the form of programming that will make it a better, safer, richer place.
A place like Tidewater Tech is better for people that want to get a skill set.
So you have to learn the basics. You have to learn how to use basic tools, learn about basic language, safety, working with others. You also learn how to look at blueprints and drawing to scale.
You're going to get out what you put in. You know, if you come in wanting to be lazy, you're not going to get much out of it. If you want to get your hands dirty and learn that, you will learn. But you've got to show that you want it. If you're trying to decide between what tech school to go to, I would say, choose the one that's best for you. And I will tell you that this school is legit.
Hands-on trade school trainings are great. They prepare you for the real world. It's nothing like getting that job, going out there and being able to be independent.
But I'm telling you, it's worth it when you learn it and you walk across that stage and you got all your certifications and you got the hours in and you go into an interview and they're asking you questions and they can't throw you a curveball because you know the information because the instructor's drilled it in your head.
At Tidewater Tech, we train tomorrow's technicians because trades never stop.